Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing very well. And today I would like to show you random Middle Eastern perfumes that I was wearing throughout this week and slightly last week as well. So my scent of the day today, guys, was this Shams Al Emarat Kususi Red Oud. So this particular perfume is basically made by ARD Al ZAAFARAN. It's one of the cheap economic brands, same as LATTAFA, that is super affordable, guys, and you can really kind of give it a go. This perfume is Red Oud. I recommend you guys to get it if you are, let's say, really like Middle Eastern perfumes and you want to experience something safe as a blind buy. So this one is beautiful perfume. Red Oud is the name. The other perfume that was scent of the day was this one, Sultan. It was scent of the day yesterday, Sultan by REHAB, and this perfume was around £4. And if you like this molecular type of scents, very type of slightly gentle, musky, not too overpowering, you can really, guys, give it a try. So this particular perfume, Al Rehab, it's one of my favorites because I have 3. So this one seemed to be the best. The other 2 I am not very into, which was Dalal and something else as well. The other perfume that was my scent of the day, one of those days, was Midnight Oud. Midnight Oud. So Midnight Oud, this perfume, I was slightly, guys, surprised by this perfume once I opened it, but I didn't like it that much. But I think I understand now why people like it, because it has this type of certain uniqueness. Spices, you feel yellow spices, majorly would be yellow spices, and it's a dupe for Amouage Interlude, guys. Amouage Interlude. The other perfume that was my scent of the day was this one. It's Ijazi. So Ijazi is a perfume. Sometimes they say it's unisex, but actually it's more for man. It's written there. And this is the maximum strength perfume that I could, that I could use as a woman, because, the scent is actually quite masculine, and perhaps for a woman it's not the best thing to use, but, sometimes I like this type of ambroxany type of feel, that sometimes if you use it, guys, can be very nice. So sorry for the marks there, but basically this one is Ijazi. Sometimes it's hard to clean those marks, that can happen on the perfume. Ijazi. To me, the bottle kind of seems similar to Kilian perfume. They are type of classy perfumes, and so this one is like a spicy perfume with some ambroxan, masculine. This one is masculine perfume, guys. Like if you are a man, you can give it a go. Some people say it's a strange perfume. Some people like it, some people don't like it. Myself, I think it's kind of normal perfume, a little bit unique, but the powerfulness is quite unique. This perfume, I don't know why, but the cap is just kind of fallen off. This perfume, many people ask what type of batch is it, like for some reason, because I heard that, they, have different batches that people maybe, they maybe make wrong, like perfumes. So this one is made in 2020, guys, 2020, this particular perfume, and I like it's strong perfume, I like this perfume, guys. The other perfume that was my one of those days, was scent of the day, is this one, guys, 24 Hours by ARD AL ZAAFARAN. ARD AL ZAAFARAN. This perfume is one of the perfumes that I would recommend you guys to try. So basically this one, and it's duped to Tom Ford, Orchid, Black Orchid is the perfume, and perhaps, I never smelled that one, but some people say it's kind of watered down version, so it will not be perhaps as, as strong as that Tom Ford, but I like the scent. It's kind of really unisex perfume, guys, not too masculine, not too anything, and really perfect. So I'm gonna finish kind of my day with this perfume, probably. If you are a lady, you want to try this perfume, you shouldn't be afraid. It's not too masculine and not too feminine. If you are a man, it's the same, So, like, let's say if I would compare these two, so this one is much more masculine than that one, and there is absolutely nothing similar. Like, if I would compare this one to any of those perfumes that I just showed you, There is nothing similar, guys. I don't have anything similar apart from, you know which one, guys? This one. One moment, I will show you. It's basically Midnight Oud would have some similarity to this one, but I would say it's only maybe perhaps like 10% of Midnight Oud was put into this one, but this one is much more likable, more versatile, guys, much more versatile. So if you are, let's say, when you go, like, let's say on Amazon, you will see lots of reviews about each of them, and if you are thinking which one to buy, go with this one, because it will be more likable, much more likable. If you are, you know, adventurous person and you would like, let's say, to experience something unusual, go with this one, guys. It's unusual. So as I said before, I finished my day with this one. The most masculine perfume that I showed you was Hijazi. The most unique perfume and likable perfume would be this one. This one, let's say, it's not as unique as such, but it's very likable and more like feminine. And the most unusual, strange perfume that maybe not that easy to like at first would be Midnight Oud, guys, would be the one. And the cheapest perfume from all of those that I showed you would be Sultan by REHAB. So REHAB probably is the cheapest version. The longevity wasn't the best, you know, as well, you know, of this Sultan perfume. I would like to try Silver by REHAB as well. So here we have it, guys, all of those beautiful perfumes, and let me know what was your scent of the day recently. I will come back, guys, to you very soon, and have a beautiful day. Bye bye, guys.